Today, we're exploring SwiftFox settings, and in this tutorial, we'll be focusing on how you can create additional RSVP options for guests invited to your events. When creating events in SwiftFox, you can create your own RSVP options, in addition to our standard default settings, which include attending, not attending, attended, and did not attend. Creating new customized RSVP settings is done by your admin in the settings page. We do this to ensure the list of RSVP options is clean and approved by your organisation, which gives you better data hygiene. To create a new RSVP option, head over to Settings and then select Event RSVP Options. If you cannot see this option, you'll need to speak to a SwiftFox administrator in your organisation. Here, you will see a list of RSVP options available for your events. To add a new one, simply hit the New RSVP Option button. Type in the new option and click the plus button. Now your new RSVP option has been added to the list. To delete an option, click the delete icon. Heading back over to events, you can now see the updated list of RSVP options available. All done.